Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be teaching you on how to change your phone number on iPhone. This is important if you want to change SIM card or if you basically just want to change your phone number on your iPhone. First thing we want to do is go to your settings on your iPhone and then scroll down until you can see the phone option, like so. Once inside, you can see the My Number label, and then on the right it displays your number, your current number. If you want to change that, just basically click on that and then type in your new number here and then click on save. Next thing you want to do is go to your contacts, the list of your contacts, and then on the main portion, of the top portion, you can see your name, and then under that is My Card. It's basically saying that you already have a card inside. What you want to do is click on that, and then as you can see, it displays your phone number. If you want to change that, another thing you want to do is click on edit, and then just edit the details like so. And then if that doesn't work, another thing you can do is click on the plus sign on the top right corner of the screen, and then you can add your name and then add your new phone, and after that, go back to the settings, go to contacts, and then as you can see here, the My Info, it displays your name. If you click on that, it will display your contact details, and you can see here under the letter I is my name, and then it displays the Me label. If you want to change that, click on your newly created name to change the Me or the ownership, and then the name, and then go back and then go to your contacts. You will see here it reflected.